Chayashri Vasumarthy. She is from Assam and she also completed her masters from Indakala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Chhattisgarh. And she performed in many of the places like Thailand, Dubai, Nepal, Malaysia. And I will call her upon stage to perform now. Chayashri Vasumarthy.
Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namaha, Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Shri Marakoti Sundara Prabhu, Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho. Dim dim takka dimmi 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 tarikita tarikita dimmi tarikita taka sahasra koti janapalana, sahasra koti janapalana, sadhu samrakshana, pavana sadhu samrakshana, pavana tatavana muni jana sakala sura sura sannuta pada kinkini jam jam jana 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 nupura laya gati kana 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 vidhi hari sevita sadhu samrakshana, pavana sadhu samrakshana, pavana Mahadeva Shiva Shambho. Sarveshwara Karuna Karamurte Samagana Priya Veda Purte, Sarveshwara Karuna Karamurte. Takkudu dikkudu takatarikita takatam, tak 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 kita kita takatarikita kita takatandava ambara dikkita kita takademi kita kita takavya madhar tum kita kita takatona kita kita takatri shuladhara nan kita kita takanana kita kita takanandi vahana nada yoga priya nada yoga priya samagana priya veda purte Parameshwara Gangadhara Kirte, Parameshwara Gangadhara Kirte, Jaganam Kitataka Tuka Takatatam, Jaka Jaka Jaya Jaya Shashi Ravi Bhushita, Parameshwara Gangadhara Kirte, Patita Pavana Shri Pashupate, Patita Pavana Shri Pashupate, Tatim Tim Tim Tarupa Bhayankara Dhamaruka Hasta Tritiya Saraswati Kshitanatha Nadesha Kautvam Takatakatam Digitai Tak Tudik Tutakita Tom Kita Kita Takidan Tom Kita Kita Takidan Kinnam Kita Takadik Tam Tatam Patita Pavana Shri Pashupate Patita Pavana Shri Pashupate Tatadiku Tatadiku Tarita Jim 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 Tatritaka Tatayita Tayita Tayita Yita Taka Taka Tayita Tayita श्रीमारकोटि सुन्दर प्रभो श्री महादेव शिव शम्भो शिव शम्भो शिव शम्भो ॐ नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
खूबसूरत सी प्रस्तुति।
So India also one of the state with more than 29 states with different sub-regions like that. And Sri Lanka also multi-ethnic, multicultural society. So we also represent different colors. And the parties and politically and culturally also different colors. But we are here, we are interconnecting the hearts of the people. So I think this holy festival also derived and originated from the Lord Krishna and Radha history, and it is continually this is going on. So as a Sri Lankan and as a ministry representative, I am very happy to see these events, and thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Om Smriti, Stuti, and thank you, Nanda.